Value, momentum, growth, and income all factor into Zacks rank buys.
Welcome to another edition of Zacks Rank Buy. I am Brian Bolin, and I am the aggressive growth stock strategist here at Zacks. And I've got two stocks for your aggressive growth radar screen. And talking about radar, people that are in this industry are very familiar with radar detectors because we're talking about trucking. You know, I guess we've seen a lower price of oil recently, and there's also been some good news out of the truckers. So let's take a look at two trucking stocks that should be on your radar screen. The first one is going to be Echo Global Logistics, and the ticker is ECHO. It is a Zacks rank #1 strong buy, and as just about all of these aggressive growth Zacks rank buy videos have, this one has an A for growth. Normally, I like to see a lower value style score, but a B is okay here. As we look ahead to why this stock is a Zacks rank #1, we can see that the earnings estimates have been moving up. So 90 days ago, we were at $1.26. We lost a penny, but then boom, we're moving higher here. Up to $1.46. Woof. I need some work on that. So let's get rid of that. Now, if we look at next year, we can see an even bigger move from $1.48 up to $1.67. That is the way you want to see things move when you are an aggressive growth stock or at least investor. So if we take a look at the last couple earnings reports, we see really big beats. 35% positive surprise, 73% positive surprise, 42% positive surprise. The analysts are really, really light on the numbers of late, and that really ends up, being reflected in the stock price. Now, if we take a look here at the last three beats here, we can see at that point there was that miss back at 4 quarters ago now, but ever since then, stock has been basically up and away. Things have been rolling. So load up the truck and keep it going here. We can see this estimate line here, this 2008 estimate line. I'm blacking it out here, but it keeps moving higher and it keeps supporting the price higher and higher. So things definitely look good for this trucker. Now, and this was Echo, ECHO. Now let's roll over to our next stock here, and this is ArcBest. ArcBest is ARCB. I made that hard to read, so let's get rid of that. ARCB is the ticker. This is the stock that was formerly known as Arkansas Best. It is a Zacks rank #1. That makes it a strong buy. It is also an A for growth, and like the other stock, it is a B for value. The trucking industry, transportation and trucking here, is in the top 5 of our industry ranks. So that's another good point here. So all these stocks are seeing some strength. Let's take a look at what's been going on here. And I'm going to start here on this page because I just want to show you this little ramp right here, a straight up move, and then kind of a hold across. So we've seen, quite a little move here. Let's take a look at why that is the case. As we take a look at the estimates, I'm going to scroll down on this detailed estimates page. You can see all kinds of positive revisions here. But here's our numbers here, moving from 237 up to 293. That's a good move. 280 on next year's number, moving up to 311. Another 10% move or so here. But, really the story is more about, the earnings release here. And there was a really big one right here. Boom. See how I made that thing even darker? 515% beat. Company reported earnings of 29 cents when 7 cents was a loss of 7 cents was expected. So that's a big difference there. So things obviously getting better. And that's what caused the stock to really catapult here. This is just a straight up move. Wow. Too big of a block there. But the idea is that estimates have been moving up. They told you that, the estimates told you things were getting better. And then it were really confirmed right here on this point here, and that's going to be an earnings beat. and this is the beat right here, so we circle that there. The idea was it was a gigantic beat. The company said that things were looking good, and then recently they had an analyst day, and they said daily billed revenue is moving higher by 8%, tonnage up 3%, daily shipments up 7%. And all these things just kept on getting better. We have the lower cost of oil as well, so the truckers are looking good. So that's it for this week. So I'm going to say 10-4, good buddy, as a trucker would say. Be sure to join us next week when we take a look at 2 more aggressive growth stocks for your aggressive growth radar screen.